Article redirect rules provide you with a powerful tool to manage your website URLs without causing any broken links. There are several compelling reasons to use this feature. Imagine scenarios where old URLs, once shared on public forums or within your own documentation, have become obsolete, relocated, or need to direct users to updated content. From a user's perspective, encountering a dreaded 404 error is the last thing you'd want for your website visitors. Additionally, broken links can harm your search engine rankings. It's essential to ensure that your URLs remain valid, especially when search engines like Google attempt to index your pages. In Document360, you can easily set up article redirect rules within the knowledge base site settings. This page is your command center for managing all redirect rules within your project. You have the flexibility to edit existing rules or remove ones that are no longer relevant. When dealing with multiple rules, you can efficiently delete them in bulk by selecting and clicking the delete button up at the top. Moreover, you can export this rule list to a CSV file for offline access. When navigating through a substantial list of redirect rules, filtering options allow you to refine results based on type and date. You can also make use of the search function to quickly locate specific items. Now, let's delve into adding a new redirect rule. There are two distinct redirect types to choose from. Ends with focuses on the slug at the end of your URL in the source path that needs replacement, while replace with looks at the text between the domain and article slug that requires substitution. To illustrate how ends with works, let's consider an example. Suppose you have an outdated article in your documentation and want to use the same URL to direct users to an updated article in the current version. Simply copy and paste the slug from the old article into the source path, and enter the slug from the new article in the destination URL. Once added, anyone attempting to access the URL of the old article will automatically be redirected to the current version. This same principle can be applied to redirect URLs between different versions of your documentation and even across various languages. On the other hand, the replace with redirect type is more suitable for specific situations. Let's assume you're migrating from a different vendor. Document360 uses the following URL structure: domain, version, docs, language, and article slug. If you need to transfer content from another platform, Document360 can assist you in swiftly setting up the necessary mappings using article redirect rules. For instance, if you have a list of source URLs that need to be remapped to the new ones, you can utilize replace with by inputting the source path, which includes the domain up to the article slug, and the replacement text in the replace text section. Another use case for the replace with redirect type is when you've created a new version of your documentation and wish to direct users to the new version. An exciting feature is that if you have numerous URLs that require redirection, the entire process can be automated using a CSV file. Simply download the provided template, list your source and destination URLs, and specify the redirection type. After saving the file, upload it to Document360 and it'll undergo a quick validation process. You can review both valid and invalid rules, and if necessary, make corrections based on the reasons provided for the failures. Once the import process is complete, your redirection rules will be visible in the list. As your list grows, the Export CSV button becomes invaluable for efficient management. In conclusion, maintaining updated documentation and ensuring the absence of dead or broken links are of utmost importance from both the user experience and search engine optimization perspective. Document360 equips you with all the necessary tools to identify and rectify 404 errors in your project, while article redirect rules offer a swift and user-friendly way to keep your URLs up to date.